Aloha and welcome to my channel. I just landed in Hawaii. We was running a little late, so I couldn't film me coming here, but finally landed. Long flight, 11-hour flight, super long, but it wasn't bad. We had 2 meals on the flight. They gave us headphones. They gave us a bunch of stuff to get comfortable. So it wasn't bad. We finally arrived. We're staying at the Palms Hotel. And yeah, see you there. This is the view from my balcony. Looks like this. You guys see the rainbow? You see it, guys? You see the rainbow? You see the rainbow? There's rainbows everywhere in Hawaii. That's the thing. Catch a rainbow. And yeah, we're in Waikiki Beach at the Aqua Palm Hotel. Aloha guys, welcome to my channel. Oh look, there's a rainbow. I'm gonna show you guys. It's so cute. Okay, so we're in Hawaii. I just got out the shower. So yesterday, I came to Hawaii yesterday afternoon around 3:30, and it was so much to do. I had to check in the hotel, I had to get the car. So I'm kind of disappointed because I didn't get to vlog the first day, but most of the day was just basically just unpacking, getting to the hotel, getting the car, and doing a little sightseeing. Got out the shower. We're gonna wake up early. We're gonna start our day early. We're gonna go get some breakfast, and then I want to go to the Mermaid cave today because I definitely want to get a beach activity in today. And then we have I got a surprise Luau dinner for him. So it's like a buffet with the luau and the fire dancing and all that stuff. So we'll see if he likes that for his dinner, his birthday dinner part. Yeah. So comment, like, and subscribe to my channel because we in Hawaii. Woo. Hey guys. Oh, I'm falling. We're doing this hike. It's like a little mini hike to get to the pillbox. I ain't gonna hold y'all. I'm out of shape. It's lethal. Hi. Aloha. Holy babe. How are we gonna get up this? Yeah. I'm gonna have to film this when I'm done, guys, because this is a workout and a half. I want to look cute for the picture, not high. I'll see you when I get to the top. Okay, so we finished the hike. We almost died. I'm gonna let y'all know right now. If y'all go to Lanikai Pillbox, it's a hike and it's very dangerous. These hikes are real, guys. Be careful. These hikes are so real. But we made it down there. It was good views, good vibes, and now we're at the Mermaid cave. So we're at the Mermaid cave. She's gonna help me. Let's get down here. Oh my God. You literally have to go down the cave. inside of the mermaid cave. I'm scared. I feel like I should jump where you was.
Yeah, I think so. Maybe we'll see. You gonna jump with me? If you want me to. If you want me to. I don't know if we're both gonna make it, but. Next round, jump it! Next round, jump it!
Look here, right.
Where you at?
I like chat.
Oh, she's right here. That old jagged rock, go hurt your foot.
Don't worry, they're not gonna attack you. They're not come over and grab them like that. Here.
Do you need help? You are so brave. I was like, gonna jump, but then I got scared.
Okay, so I just got out the shower. I was gonna do this little vlog before the shower, but after the hike, after the mermaid cave, after all the sand and all the extra, I was like, I need to wash up, get in the shower, because you know when your hair starts smelling like seawater? I don't like that. So I had to wash it, put conditioner, make it smell good again. Because I don't like when hair smells like seawater. That should stay. But now that I'm out the shower, I can put y'all on some game. Okay, so first thing I want to tell y'all about the, I feel like I'm going to say it wrong, but it's called the Pillbox, the Waikiki Pillbox. That, I thought it was like, you could like drive up and then you can be on the top and then you can take pictures. No, it's a whole hike. It's like one of the, like, and I spoke to like a couple of Hawaii locals and they was like, that's one of the most like deadliest hikes. I didn't even know that. Like, the hike was deadly. Like, walking up there was like a full-blown workout, like full body workout. Cause like, it's not just hiking, like walking, you're like climbing the rocks to get to the top. It's like real intense. And then to come down, it's even worse because now you're just like sliding, like the what's the latitude, like it's so, the incline is so high. We was going down, I freaking cut my pinky. I don't even know if you can see, I like sliced my pinky. My man busted his knee. I hurt my toe a couple of times, but my paint on my toes still look good. I slipped and fell like so many times. Like, it was really big. That hike is really, it's a lot. That hike is a lot. I got really dirty. That hike is a lot. But it was worth it. The view was worth it. It looked so beautiful. I felt like I was on top of the world. You could literally see all of Oahu. It's really worth it. The hike is really worth it. And then we drove and went to the mermaid cave. That was something that was definitely on my bucket list to go to Oahu. We drove to the mermaid cave and it was really nice. It's like a beach, regular beach, and then you walk to the left and that's the mermaid cave side. And it is very intense, but it's very beautiful. It's really nice. You have to literally climb down inside of the cave, but the vibe is nice. It's very beautiful. It's definitely something that people should definitely look at and do. If you're in Hawaii, the Mermaid Cave is definitely something that's like kind of slept on, but I saw that on Instagram and I was like, I have to go. So definitely go to the Mermaid Cave, guys. That's what y'all should do. Okay, so we are at Sea Life Park. We are at Kamona Luau, and we got our little leis. Oh, we gotta put our wristband on, our leis. We got our drink tickets, our wristbands that we need to put on. We're a little late because you know we run on black people time, but it's okay. We here. Oh, what's that, chicken? They chickens. We're late. Oh look, sea turtle. Sea turtles. Look. There's a guy like paragliding. I don't know if y'all can see, but he is getting busy. He's like not scared. He's like paragliding.
Ready, my friend? Pineapple.
We got
Banana.
some good food.
Don't follow her. What's your name? Ian? Everybody for Ian, just make a smoothie. Smoothie. Everybody make a smoothie. Come on, watch smoothies. Now, I don't know if you guys know this, but Manuha, famous for his smoothies. He likes to share it around the whole entire island. How do you do that, Manuha?
Oh yeah.
Come on, let me see it. Nice, ladies. I said smoothies, not milkshakes.
Smoothie.
Always showing it for
Do the
his yard.
smoothie.
Nice. Give yourselves a round of applause. Here we go. Dip. Nice. Smoothies. Oh, easy there, Kale. Nice. Here we go. Energy. Make some noise for Manda. Ladies and gentlemen, the Super Auntie with Mana.
Good morning. It is day 3 in Hawaii, and we are walking to go get some breakfast. We had such a great night. The luau dinner was the perfect way. It was a perfect way to end the night. We're about to go to Aloha Kitchen. This place is packed, so we're going here for breakfast. This is what it looks like. Kitchen. So we put our name down for breakfast, so we're gonna see if our name is up. Okay. So yeah, this is what Aloha Kitchen looks like. We're gonna eat some good breakfast. We put our name down on the list, so we're gonna see if it's ready for us. It's a pretty small, cute like Hawaiian breakfast spot. So the wait time's a little long, but we're gonna see. Okay, so we're eating the souffle. We're eating, this is a garlic ahi. The whole bill, the vibe, the ahi. And my last meal is coming. Let me taste the ahi. I need another fork. Oh, thank you. It's fine. Thank you. Thank you. This is my egg, you know, egg bacon. That's what I do. You feeling the fork? No, they just walked in. I can't steal their fork. I'm gonna take a piece of this garlic ahi. Yo, this is like real good. These guys are so good. This is like good. We're gonna be full all day. That girl ahi is so good. That's like top. And so, this is what we got. Hawaii souffle, eggs, bacon, toast, home fries, pretty good ahi, and lobster benedict that he's been busting down. I'm about to bust this breakfast down, and I'm gonna see y'all when breakfast is over. Aloha! So we are at this reservoir, about to go to this hike, so we can go to the waterfall. It's roughly a mile hike in this little jungle rainforest thing that we're in. Why all these chickens here? They running. Waterfall. Look at the bamboo. This is like beautiful. Like this is stuff like you see in movies. Honestly. So we're doing this mile hike. I feel like it's not gonna be as bad as the first hike that we did, because the first hike it was like a real incline. Like it was beast. Like from the minute we started the hike, it was an incline. But this one is pretty flat. Seems pretty cool. It's like, and this one is like in a rainforest, so we have a lot of shade. And it's like raining, like, it's not raining, but it's like drizzling, like rainforest. Like it's drizzling and stuff. So, oh man, we're gonna be on Wrong Turn. If you haven't seen Wrong Turn 2, y'all know exactly what the hell I'm talking about. It was these campers. They was taking a hike. They went somewhere. I forgot where they went, but they took a hike somewhere, and the guy was like, "Oh, let's take a shortcut off the trail and find something else." And then they made the wrong turn and took a shortcut somewhere else. And that movie was crazy. You guys definitely should watch Wrong Turn 2, because that's what I feel like I'm doing. This one is like not so like this is easy. This is like a walk in the park. The other one was, they said that hike that we did was one of the, They said that the hike that we did was one of the most deadliest hikes. And it felt like it, because I barely made it with my life. But I learned my lesson, because I didn't know that one was a hike. So when I did the Pillbox hike, I was wearing like sandals and stuff. So this time I learned and I got my sneakers on. So we came more prepared. So, but look how this looks, guys. I want to show you guys. It's like so beautiful. Hi, aloha. It's like so green. I'm scared. We getting deep. This is definitely not a hike you do at night. Y'all not scared of snakes? And my shoes about to get muddy. I'm gonna assume this way. Ah! Ah! Y'all leaving? Y'all leaving? We at the falls. Oh my God. Okay, I'm a little sweaty. It's a little hot, but we finally made it to the falls. I'm mad dirty. I'm about to get in the water, wash up. I'm letting y'all know right now, when y'all get to the falls, y'all gonna get lost. It's like 17 different ways to get to this fall. We got lost like 3 times. Everybody got lost, but it's definitely worth it. We finally got to the falls. Is beautiful. It's like picture perfect. You can't honestly ask for anything better than this. It's like paradise, guys. But yeah, make sure you follow the pink ribbons all the way. Make sure you follow all the pink ribbons and bring a bottle of water because it's a hike, baby. But I'm about to go get in the water, take some pictures, you know, for the gram. Got the rainbow shaped ice, the custard. Okay, try. So this is what it looks like with the custard inside. It's basically like flan. So it's just like, I don't want to say snow cone because Hawaiians don't like when you say snow cone, but it's shaped ice. It's basically like a snow cone. I got the rainbow with the condensed white milk on top and the flan, the custard they call it. It's so good. So good.
Make some noise if you're feeling sexy, you know it. I can say nobody is sexy.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind.
Shopping. He wants to replace his bracelets. My little outfit for today. I got my scarf because, guys, my hair really looks crazy. This is so cute. That's fine. This is Natasha. She's helping us. Yeah. I'm gonna double cross bracelets. Let's see what else is other one. So this is my food.